backward. I think it looks like the same place. It's coming right by this little island, kind of halfway in between. It looks like the same location. Yeah, it is. And we are at September 5th, 3 o'clock UTC. I do wish the clock was at the top, but it's not. And so we're not seeing any head of that line. We're just seeing the, well, let's see where it ends. This kind of goes off. Maybe it's the beginning of one. Let's go to the next frame, see what happens. Nope, it's not showing over in this end. And there's nothing showing over by the United States here either. Next frame. I'm not seeing anything. Nope. You're probably getting dizzy by now. Sorry. Next frame. Nothing. Next frame. There's another one right here. Let's make sure there's not another one. Sometimes they come from the other direction too. No tail on that one. Next one. Just move down a bit. And we can't really see where it's originating from, but it ends right there. Above these islands. There's a long island there. This is Norway, I'm pretty sure. I kind of lost that line, the satellite in line. I'm not sure where it's at, so I can't see if this is ending there or not. There's our friendly menu. And it is 5th of September, 18 UTC. That's the same one. See, back, forward, back, forward. Let's see if the tail's at the same spot. Back, forward. Not sure where that's originating from. Next one. This is a real low one right here. It looks like it could be coming out of Norway. And it's stopping right here when it hits the radar, so it's hard to tell where the trajectory is. Could possibly be by this HARP facility right here in Canada. There's another HARP facility in at Poker Flat, Alaska, which is right in here somewhere. Next one. That's just the remains of back, forward. So see, they do last at least 3 hours. Well, here actually there's a tail coming out of a different place in Russia. The other ones were coming out here. This is coming out about here, and you can see there's 2 radar crossings too, so we may not be able, well, I'm not sure that is or not. But anyway, it's coming out there, but I'm not seeing it come into the frame over here. Next frame. Nothing up here. And this part of this tail is still here. Let's go back one and see if it's the same. Nope, it's different. Go forward. So there's only 3 dots showing, so it's kind of hard to tell where it's coming from or going, but there is at least 3 dots to work with. Next frame, nothing over here. This is kind of interesting. I wonder what that's all about. Anyway, let's see if there's anything coming in. Nope. Next one. Yeah, it looks like there's something right here. Yeah, there is. Looks right here. There's our friendly little screen. Let's go back one. I'm not seeing anything forward. So we can't really tell where it's going. It looks like there's a part of it here too. Let me go back one. Well, that's part of it right here. Here. It goes down into... Well, it could be going to the facility, although it looks like it's more of a curved path down. Yeah, it's more of a curved path down. So, towards Michigan or somewhere here in Canada. Let me zoom in further. And I can't see any more than that. It just stops right here. But we got one here coming from... I'll check the time on this in a minute. I'm not seeing where it's coming from. Let's go check the time. Let me unzoom. And zoom in. That's September 6th, 2011 at 12 UTC. That's that one coming out of Alaska, as well as this one projecting down into Greenland. Next one. There's 2 of them now. I'm not seeing any there. One going right here. And you can see the tail going all the way over above these islands again. Here's that long island. And this one's a little bit different path. Let me zoom in a little more. See if anything's over here. I'm not seeing it, so I'm not sure where this one's originating from. It just seems to stop right there. Next frame. Still have 2. Let me see if... Well, there's the 3rd one here. There's 3 of them this time. Let me go back and see if this and this is part of the previous frame. Let's see. Backward, forward, backwards. Yes. This one right here. It's the same one. Backwards, forwards. So this... I lost it. That one. That one. This one is part of the previous frame. And this is a new one. And then there's one right here too, but I can't quite... Let's see if there's any more before we zoom in on that. No. Let's check the time. September 6th, 18 UTC. That's beautiful right there. Look at that. Alright, let's go back up, stay on task, and zoom in more on this little short one. Let's see, here's Hudson Bay, there's the HARP facility. It could be coming from there. It's hard to tell. I can't really tell where it's going. Next frame. We're almost done with finding each one anyway. Nothing. Alright, I'm going to unzoom because I got kind of zoomed in here. We had a tail over here by Russia. Right here. It goes up there. And I imagine it comes in the other side here. Yes, it does. There it comes right there. And goes, I'm not sure where it goes. Seems to end about right here. Could be aiming here for that facility. Or maybe there's something in between. Next frame. Just a bitlet. I'm going to go back one. That's different than this one. But it's not enough to see, and you can't go on one. Here's little bitlets here too. Go back one. Nope, it's a different thing altogether, although we're not sure what it is. Next one is a bitlet again. Yep, here's the tail. I'm going to go back one. I don't think there was one in the previous frame, but yeah, there's a bitlet. I'm not sure if it's the same. Nope, it's different. Alright, let's see what time it is, what the date is. September 7th at 6 o'clock UTC. Next one. And just a bitlet again. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. There's that dot still. And there's another